I'm documenting your spills, buddy.
Ow.
I know it hurts, man. You're a little.
And why are you taking a picture?
Look at that. Because I'm taking a video, man. Because look, buddy. It's part of being. I know it's part of being a little boy. I'm gonna give you a piggyback ride, okay?
Oh
man.
no! Look at that. That is the most fun.
Oh, dude, you got more right there? Dude, I mean, that's kind of cool, though, you know?
No, it's not.
No, I swear to God, it is. It's like a badge of honor. It's all part of growing up, buddy. Trust me, Daddy got a lot of bumps and bruises growing up, too. And you know what? That's why when I...
Did you cry?
Yeah, maybe in a couple of them.
That one hurt. A lot. Why did it? Why did I do that?
Because it's not the end of the world, buddy.
I had attention so I can go back in time, so I can like mix it with my own future self, my own time in self, so this could never have happened.
Or maybe you just could learn from your fall. And that's kind of why stuff hurts, because if it didn't hurt, then when you did something like listen, when you are not being careful on a log, right? It doesn't mean not to climb on the log anymore. It just means that that's a way of your body's way of reminding your brain to be careful next time.
I got it.
See?
I got it. Oh, no. I can go back in time and make my own time self eat me. So then we can like mix together, and then I'll be that guy. And boom! I couldn't have followed his direction and make him control another way.
I think Jet Li tried that, and it didn't end very well for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know. Ancient Chinese wisdom and stuff. Dude, I'm telling you this though. When I was growing up, I busted my shit like a bajillion times. Okay? Went through a lot of band-aids, a lot of whatever's, okay? And that's why when you see me jumping around in the forest, hopping around on logs, I'm like a ninja bunny, right? Ninja cat bunny, right? That's because of all the times I fell and busted my knee up, or busted my leg up, or busted my arm up, or something. And then it makes your brain smarter because it makes you think and reminds you the next time to be more careful and look around a little better and to, you know, just to all around be able to navigate your surroundings better. Dig it?
Yeah, but
so it's
now
necessary.
in my brain, there's somebody new in there, and that's the hurt person, and it's a hurt memory. So I wish you could just accept it that I wouldn't go home and not even go on this walk.
Because, Max, it's a beautiful day, man. Listen. Okay, you know what? See, I bet your legs barely been hurt anymore. And we'll stop by and get some Neosporin. We got Minion, and I think I got Star Wars bandages in the car. Actually, I'm not sure because I just printed it out, but.
No, we won't stop by.
I was going to stop by and give you some Neosporin with the pain
go
relief.
Home and not stop by.
No, we're going to stop and get the Neosporin with the pain relief, dude.
No, we'll
stay
by. Get
it? I don't.
I mean, don't stop by. I mean, go home.
Yeah, but we'll stop by CVS on the way home. Okay? You know? And get some Neosporin with pain relief. It's the stuff in it that makes your boo-boo not hurt. You'll scratchy. You'll itchy and scratchy. Well, it's a, it's just a flesh wound. It's just a flesh wound. You'll be alright, buddy. I promise. I know it seems bad, okay? But I promise it'll be alright. You will learn to live life again. You will breathe new life into the forest, and the forest will breathe new life back into you, and you will hop on logs like a frog in a fog. Dig it.
And then I have to eat more mayonnaise for, then when I took down weight, you're gonna have to buy another two, and then the cycle just keep happening over and over and over and over and over again.
Squirrel! Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. What was the question? Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum,
Please let me go already.
ba-dum, ba-dum.
Squirrel!
Squirrel! That dog was hilarious.
Were you supposed to take the camera that way?
No, it was over there. I seen him. Oh, dude. Seriously? You know what I saw on the Facebook today, man? A dude made freaking Toothless Dragon, you know, from, you know,
Yeah.
how to do stuff with your dragon, whatever,
How did
right?
Shane know that?
Yeah, that's it. And, you say how to shame your dragon? That's me.
How did Shane?
How to shame your dragon?
Shane, not!
I like the way that sounds. Anyways, so this dude took leather, right, and made a freaking replica, like a life-size replica of the dinosaur, of the dragon. Can you believe that? I'll show you the picture, dude.
No.
Swear to God, it happened.
You just made me so annoyed that I accidentally did this to water. No cap.
Okay. I got the cap. You got the cap in your hand right there.
Well, there is no cap on the actual thing.
You have more water in the car, S.A.
I don't know that.
Take a chill vitamin, brah. You'll be alright, man. Yeah, look, it's not even dripping blood, dude. You'll be okay, buddy. But I know. Trust me, I know, dude. I would be thoroughly flustered if that was on my legs right now. I'd be like, son of a bitch. But you know what, though? You being a youth, right? Can I tell you something?
I go to the sewer.
No, can I tell you something?
Yes.
Your skin will actually get better and grow back faster than I would. You know that? Because your skin cells regenerate much faster. And I'm not sure if that is accurate at all, but it just kind of seems to make sense.
But
So I've never seen a kid needing like oil of Olay or some
Why do
shit.
people get owies?
What?
Why do people
By
get
climbing on logs and
How
falling
do
off
people
them,
get
apparently.
owies?
By climbing on logs and falling off them, apparently.
Why? Yeah.
Why?
What?
Oh, you mean like, okay, because your skin,
What happens to your body?
okay, your skin, you know your skin is, right?
Yeah.
You know, okay, well, it's only like, you know, yay thick, like an orange peel, right? And when you fall, it basically, whatever goes against your skin, just kind of cuts it open. And I think, yeah, well, you know what, watch a video on it, you know. We will Google that shit, homie. Yeah. I bet, you know, maybe Genius. But they got videos on it. Them some resourceful sons of bitches, let me tell you. Yep.
Not much people, no people are playing.
I don't know, man. You've been asking a lot of questions today, buddy.
I'm asking a question.
And kind of being a brat. And, you know,
And they give me a piggyback time.
do I look like a pig to you? Calling me swine?
Can you give me a piggyback?
Alright, whatever.